So, by the way, this is Buddy, and he makes some funny noises and smells. We are going to do a 2022 review of our videos, and actually, we thought, oh, Yorkshire tea, lovely. We thought that you can't actually beat the little clips at the end, the outtakes. We make we're making about one video a month at the moment. It was more earlier in the year, it was about 2 a month. But we have so many calamities while we're doing the filming. So we've chosen our favourite ones and put them back to back so you can have a chuckle over the Christmas period. So let's get straight into it and start having some laughs, because what's more important than having a laugh? Nothing. Oh, before we get rolling with the videos, this is our little office that overlooks the water. So if you look in the window behind me, you can see the river. This is Essex Marina, and it's where we live and work, sometimes 8 days a week. Anyway, enough rambling, let's go. It's a really nice cabin, really nicely made. The toilet, the day head, oh, I think we've got a microwave in here. Got some crunchy nut clusters, oh, I like those. Oh, they're in date. I'll have those for later. Okay, so let's look at the engines, and I press this little button down here. Dan, are we smashing anything up? What about that seat? That's all good, yeah? Ooh, look at these. Oh!
You're right about the seat.
What have we done about the seat? Have you broken it?
The backrest.
Don't let Richard see.
No,
Quick. And it is huge. Look how big it is. Look, I'm going to do some running. There. Look how big this boat is. Okay, so I have got my little portable mic, and we have got Andy Pope, who is, I think, head of Fairline Design. Is that right?
No, actually, no.
Oh, right, okay.
You want to gloss over that?
Okay. Right, okay. Right, let's just try again. So, it is massive. What are you laughing at?
Just you running.
I tell you what, in the day, I was pretty good at running, I tell you, son. Oh, I just remember, that is a noisy trolley. But you've got a little high-low platform here as well, which I'm going to demonstrate, because what I like about it, once it gets itself into gear, is how quickly it goes down. Oh, wrong one. So that's not it either. That's the sunshade. Where's the button for that? Is it here?
Yes, sir.
Oh, right. There it is. So if I press that button there, and you'll watch it go flying down. Okay, so here's our ride for the sea trial. So let's borrow that. That's Dumb and Dumber. And then we'll go out for a quick sea trial. No swearing, you two. We're on camera, son.
Try not to. I'll crash one, though. Okay.
I said it's Dumb and Dumber. Oh, look at that. He's walloped it. And he can't even drive an aluminium boat. All right. Yeah, excuses, mate.
Yeah, don't worry about it, mate. I've only
Leave
been
it.
doing it 40 years.
We've got really big windows. Have a look. We just need a clean. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh no. Let's see. Let me just try and fix this quickly. There we go. All fixed. Yeah, it's fixed. See, look, I didn't break it. And it's got the 4.5 litre, 250 horsepower V6. inboard fitted. So I'm going to show you around the inside of the boat. Do you want to buy this boat? Not today?
Yeah, I will, am I?
Yeah, it's only 75 grand.
Hold on.
Bargain.
Is that all right?
I'll tell you in a minute.
I'll take a watcher's deposit or something, whatever you want.
I've got a score.
A score? Well, I'll take a
Take it
score
or
as
leave
deposit.
it.
It's lovely, isn't it? Yeah.
Are you buying it? Or
No, I'm just doing a video on it for YouTube. Yeah, so you'll be on YouTube. Have a look later.
So when the cold weather comes, can I live on there?
You could live wherever you want, mate. Yeah. I mean, it comes up with full canvas.
Yeah.
And what if the missus kicks you out?
Don't mention the missus, not today.
Oh, right, okay. You can come down here now, Georgia. Oh, Georgia, you've broken the boat. What have you done there? Georgia. Georgia. We're trying to concentrate and you're smashing the boat up. Oi, can you just be quiet a minute? Brandon. Yeah, can you just be quiet a minute? I only got to finish 2 more minutes, son. That trolley jack is so noisy, and I can't remember the last time a boat needed a trolley jack. This is the normal Cherry, and as most of you know, this went out of fashion. But it's coming back.
Like your socks.
No, my socks are nice. Cherry is coming back. We're starting to sell more and more gloss wood on the new Fairlines than we have for years. So it tends to be walnut gloss now and not cherry gloss. But these gloss woods really do ooze quality. And if we swap round, I'm going to show you my favourite bit of the whole boat. What do you think it is?
Probably the fridge.
That is so rude. Reasonable space. It's have a look under there. So excited to see it. Oh! Oh! God, that really hurt.
Right.
Yeah. God. Dan, look, I found him. He's fixing his car. Look, he shouldn't be doing that in work time, should he?
You ready, James?
No, I haven't got anything to say. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed watching those clips. We certainly did have a lot of fun making them. And I suppose the only thing left to say is Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Cheers. That's what you get when you spend £1 million. Let's talk about the price actually, because this boat is 1,000,000